Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys will join me for this full video of carving a horse bench. This is going to be my first horse carving period. This is a custom order that I got. Customer wants a horse head for each end of a bench. They just kind of want a two-seater, you know, something that'll fit two people comfortably. And well, me being me, I really don't like to say no, and I'm always up to a new challenge. I mean, this was a new challenge for me, something totally different that I haven't done. You know, I mean, I've done bears, I've done some eagles. Horses, though, are just, they're different. And really, they are such a cool animal. I mean, yeah, just to be able to mimic that in wood, I think is just awesome. So I hope you guys will stick around, see this video to the end. Thanks. Just finished all the saw work here on the first horse head. This is going to be one of two ends for a bench I'm working on. So in just a minute I'm going to get ready to move this one out of the way and get the other half of the log over here and get that going. You guys can see the nostrils carved out. Probably be able to see more of the detail a little bit better once I hit it with the grinder and clean them up and stuff. Kind of also got some hair layered here, coming down just a little bit. It's kind of tough to see. This is my first, there was no practice here. This is just, this is the first one I've done. It was fun. I always like a challenge, especially doing something new. Just kind of going for it. Sometimes the toughest thing is just turning on the saw and just going for it, you know, getting your head in the game and just starting to make cuts. But All right, enough talking. Time to get the other log over here and get going on the second one. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. You're watching my first horse carving. That was this guy right here, like I just said. I'm getting ready to do the second half. This will be a bench for a customer, but be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe. After you hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell that pops up, and then you'll be alerted with all new videos that I post. I thank you guys again. Let's keep going. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You know, like I said early on, this is my first carving horses. My first attempt. I didn't do any practicing before this. I just kind of printed out some photos, studied some pictures, and just went at it. So it really was fun to push my my level and my technique of carving, and just really, you know, pushing those limits, which I think is really important to do. Just trying new things and just going for it. It's really the only way to grow and, you know, continue to get better at your art form. So I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. There's going to be some other videos popping up and a bunch of stuff going on in these corners. Be sure to check that stuff out as well. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I've recently been posting about starting an account where you can get more details on carvings, more detailed, in-depth instructions, walking you through those step-by-steps and really just trying to help you guys out. That's going to be called a Patreon account. Again, I'm still working on it. Hopefully I can get this thing going, you know, sometime in the first or second month of the new year, but I'll make sure to present that out with you guys. If you guys want to know more about that, comment below. I'll work on putting a video together and just kind of sharing it and really bringing you guys in as to what I'm hoping to do with it, and well, give you some more details. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.